So as you guys can see, this is me and my grandpa's first time riding on the Cedar Creek Trail, and it's our first time actually trail riding in general. And we also got to use the trailer that he bought for the first time, and that thing is pretty sweet. So it was really cool getting to use that. I actually really recommend going trail riding, as it was a blast. And even if you do motocross more like I do, just try it. It's actually way more tiring than you would think, and it's really fun. So I really recommend going trail riding. And thank you, Grandma, for making those sandwiches. They were so good, and I ate like, I don't even know how many. I ate like 8 or something like that. They were so good. So thank you very much, Grandma, for making those for me and Grandpa. And yeah, so here's just some clips of me and my grandpa riding around, and some funny moments as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
This is crazy.
Maybe you can show them all your hand, you can knot in the creases. Maybe you can take it back and forth. You said it was out of the ether. Ain't something you said you can beat her. She said she's not the buddy girl. Then you said she said that you couldn't believe her. Ain't something you said you can beat her. She said it was all still need her. Then you said you swear I did. I tried, I swear I did. 1,000 times to let it lie, 1,000 times to let it lie. I swear I did. I tried, I swear I did. 1,000 times to let it lie, 1,000 times to let it lie.
good?
I never had my gas on.
What?
Yeah.
There's no way.
I must have had it in the reserve spot or something.
No
It just
way.
ran out
Really? What?
since we started.
Dude, we've been going for like 20 minutes at least.
Actually, I don't know if I ever turned my gas on, period.
Oh my gosh.
So that means it would have been running out the reserve the whole time.
Yeah, that's a lot of reserve.
Yeah. What do you think? Is this going back to the parking lot?
I mean, I hope so.